Today, we will discuss Maria, a 35-year-old woman from the Philippines who has been living in Canada without legal status for 3 years after her work permit expired. She has established deep ties to Canada, including her Canadian-born child, a stable job under the table, and active participation in her local community. Maria is now considering her options to regularize her status. Let us ask Mirza Asma Azim, an experienced licensed professional practitioner, about Maria's situation. Hi Mirza, please explain to us what can Maria do in this situation. And tell us about visitor record also.
Thank you, Samuel. I'll try to explain Maria's situation, and going back to the question of visitor record, a visitor record is designed for individuals who wish to extend their temporary stay in Canada as visitors, not as workers. It does not lead to permanent residency either, or address long-term settlement needs. In contrast, a humanitarian and compassionate application is specifically for individuals like Maria, who are seeking permanent residency based on exceptional circumstances that justify staying in Canada, such as family ties, establishment in the community, or hardships in their home country. Given Maria's circumstances, we'll be looking at this entire scenario under lack of legal status, best interest of the child, and pathway to stability. Now, Maria has been out of status for years. A visitor record cannot resolve this issue since it requires a person to already have valid temporary stay in Canada. An agency application, on the contrary, allows individuals without status to apply for permanent residency based on compelling reasons such as best interest of their child or undue hardship if forced to leave. Maria's Canadian-born child is a significant factor. Under Canadian law, the best interest of the child or any children involved must be considered in agency applications. This would weigh heavily in Maria's favor. A visitor record, on the contrary, does not take such factors into consideration. An approved agency application would allow Maria to obtain permanent residency and access benefits like health care and legal employment. A visitor record would only extend her temporary stay without addressing her long-term needs. So Samuel, I hope I have been able to explain the difference between both visitor record and an agency application, and I hope that people in their particular circumstances would be able to identify where do exactly they suit best.
Yes, absolutely, Mirza. Thank you for explaining it. Maria's application is in safe hands with Mirza Asma Azim of Moving Life Immigration Solutions in London, Ontario. What are you waiting for? Call us now at 647-366-9736 and speak with Mirza to book an appointment or email us to assist you professionally.